Kikay! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I made this date night look. And if you want to know how I made this one, just keep on watching.
First, I am using this Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium for my eyeshadow base. To set it, I am using Coty Spun Loose Face Powder to avoid creasing. So now let's go to the eyeshadow proper. I'm using Fashion 21 eyeshadow palette using shade number 22 for my transition shade. Next, I'm getting shade number 21 to deepen the outer V. And remember to keep on blending. Just keep on blending and take your time, like me! So to fill in the rest of my eyelid, I am using shade number 26 and topping that off using these two glittery shadows from Forever 21 palette. And just keep on blending so you'll have no harsh edges. And then lastly, I am using this F21 palette again, using the black and brown shadow to deepen the outer V. And again, and again, and again, just keep on blending, guys. So that's it for the eyes. And now, let's finish the rest of my makeup. For my foundation, I am using this Loreal Infallible Pro Matte in shade 105 or Natural Beige. I am using my Real Technique Thumb Sponge to apply it. And of course, no need to rush, guys. Just make sure na lahat ng face nyo at yung mga kailangan yung i-cover must be covered. Okay? So now I'm using this Fit Me Concealer again in my under eye, the nose bridge, the forehead, the cupid's bow, and the chin, and also in my smile lines. So let's do baking. I'm using again this Coty Spun. And to save time, let's do the eyebrows. I'm actually using the Signing Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Black Brown 04, and that's from Face Shop. I'm just actually following the outline of my natural eyebrow and I'm just filling it out. So to clean the eyebrows, just use the concealer and outline it. And look, it's finally done. Let's do the contour. Sorry, I don't have the picture, but I'm actually using City Color Contour Effects, and I'm mixing the bronzer and the contour together. Nilalagay ko siya sa jawline ko, sa cheeks ko, and sa nose, syempre, para achieve ang wow na wow look. I'm cleaning and making the contour perfect using again the Coty Spun loose powder. And let's go to the blush. I'm actually using Essence Silky Touch blush. And I forgot the shade, guys. I'm so sorry. After that, I'm using this highlight, my favorite highlighter of all times. This Colourpop Lunch Money. I'm applying that on the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose. Just the highest point of my cheeks. And of course, in the brow bone. So before I put my lipstick on, I am using this setting spray, Don't Worry, Be Happy from Snoe. And while it's drying, let's save time again and again. I'm using my Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in shade Tiny Chum. It's actually a collab from Hello Kitty. So that's the final look. I hope you guys like it. Di ba ang dali lang?
So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell beside it so you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Also remember to follow me on all my social media accounts. And this is me saying that no matter what the world says, be Kikay and slay. God bless you all, guys. Thank you. Bye!